Come dance with the night with all your might. To dig the show, let it go to raise the eyes up to the skies. This really girl to make a world. With a Run Things record promotion in association with Wayne Lonesome, Angie and Father Woody from the East. Presents the real champion sound of dancehall.
Featuring Killaman, Jaro from Jamaica.
Right.
Ranting Sound, Dan International.
Murder.
Magnum Force.
Function.
King Vower. Kelpa Choice. Oh.
And I say check it out and make it a date and don't believe so that's the original Sancho said that.
Saturday the 30th of March 2019. Gotta make that a date. Don't believe incorporating forward to the gate. Don't remember, this happens to be at the police call the Kasni event venue. 5637 Finch Avenue. East. Unit 1.
Keep on forward in the tens and thousands. Yeah, Carly, tell them the rest.
Endorsed by Whitewood Production.
Right.
This is a Run Things production. The way Run Things. Kick it. Things the wrong way.
Just to keep them alive. We play this comics to make you jump and twist. Play this comics to make you jump and twist. We play LP, the passy love we. We play dub, play them at your off. They get them up, they come now with them CD and them come now with them tape. I run on this, I run things dub, bro. Run on this, I run things dub, right? Say that me walking down the street and a sexy girl me meet. Walking down the street and a sexy girl me meet. First me say me like, then me say me love. First me say me like, and then me say me love. The girl says she want go run things show. So I took her to run things where she wanted to go. Took her to run things where she wanted to go.